Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I think I would call myself a fighter because I kind of realized that potentially never did, aborting a stunt ever cross my mind.
Wonderful.
Oh, you mean to say Shari's 200 scorpion bites? Yeah, no. I mean, yes, I did develop a very bad rash. But yeah, again, the medics are pretty good over there.
Ji,
So
ji.
I think it was the introduction bits of it, and they didn't know who he was, and the way
Yes.
they spoke to
Yes,
him.
yes.
I was like, how do you not know
No.
who he is?
Well, 27 July is the day जब खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 14 is going to air on our television sets. तब तो हम बहुत कुछ देखेंगे, पर उसके पहले हम कर रहे हैं काफी सारी गपशप with all of these खिलाड़ीज. Right now here with me I have Nimrit Kaur और मैं इनसे बहुत सारी बातें करने वाली हूँ, guys. Nimrit, welcome to India Forum.
Thank you very much.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Back in one piece from Romania.
Yes, tanned and how, but yes, back in one piece. I mean, I was like, I'm tanned a lot.
Yes.
Actually, all of us have. but
Yes,
yeah.
yes. निम्रत, अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी आपकी जर्नी को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे आप इन रोमानिया खतरों के खिलाड़ी?
Oh, nice. I think I would call myself a fighter because I kind of realized that potentially never did, aborting a stunt ever cross my mind.
Wonderful.
I don't want to give a spoiler, but I think
जी.
it's enough of a spoiler that
जी.
I was pretty headstrong in that sense. So I think, yeah, I was a true fighter there.
If I'm not wrong, हमने ये सुना है कि 40 दिन के इनके शेड्यूल में इन्हें 1-2 दिन तो ऑफ मिला ही है. तब क्या मस्ती मजाक करते थे आप लोग?
So usually on our off day, we would also be shooting for our reality.
Yeah,
bits,
yeah, ये
right? So
बताया
it would
मुझे.
be half a day, perhaps. एक दिन मुझे जरूर मिला था, but one was just sleeping, probably going to the spa for a massage because
जी.
every inch of the body would hurt.
Correct.
And yeah, mostly sleeping.
Mostly sleeping. खतरों के खिलाड़ी की बात हो रही है गाइस और इंजरीज की बात ना हो ये हो ही नहीं सकता. इसीलिए शुरुआत में मैंने इनसे पूछा वन पीस में बैक हो या नहीं, क्योंकि काफी लोगों ने बताया they got bruised here
Yeah,
and there and
everywhere.
what not, body parts were injured.
Yeah.
What about you?
I like my left shoulder was bruised and how it still hurts. But yeah, with respect to bruises, I mean, there was a point where I had blue marks all over my body.
Oh God.
And I still have like certain scars on my
Mhm.
stomach also from it. But it's okay. I mean, it's a part and parcel of the show. I mean, if you're going for a show like this, that's something that's bound to happen. It's fine.
कोई स्टंट करते वक्त किसी एनिमल के साथ कुछ इनकाउंटर हुआ है? स्कॉर्पियो बाइट, हनी बी स्टिंग या what?
Oh, you mean to say Shari's 200 scorpion bites? Yeah, no. I mean, yes, I did develop a very bad rash. But yeah, again, the medics are pretty good over there.
जी,
So,
जी.
I mean, a day or two of inconvenience with respect to rashes and everything, but it
बाकी सब
Yeah.
सॉर्टेड था. गाइस, हम सब ने हमेशा ये सुना है कि रोहित शेट्टी सर इज द बेस्ट होस्ट फॉर खतरों के खिलाड़ी एंड वी ऑल डू एग्री टू दैट.
Yeah.
पर कंटेस्टेंट्स के मन में ना निम्रत एक डर रहता है हमेशा कि यार कुछ गलत हो गया ना सर डांट देंगे, या फिर यूजुअली अब ऐसा होता है कि हवा में मिडर लटक रहे हो और नीचे से सर की आवाज आ रही है एंड देन यू आर ऑन विद योर स्टंट. ऐसा हुआ आपके साथ?
Many a times. In fact, from my first stunt to till the very last stunt, I was always waiting to like listen to Sir's
कि क्या कह
voice
रहे
from
हैं.
somewhere. Because एक जो भी वो बोलते थे, that would invariably help you in the stunt.
या
Because he's seen for so many years, so he knows कि ये technique सही है नहीं है, और आप
Correct.
उनको सुनो उस वक्त, तो there's a lot that you can change in that moment, and perhaps it's going to benefit you.
बिल्कुल.
So that. And hands down यार, I think even for a microsecond अगर आपके दिमाग में आता है कि शायद ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, वो
बिल्कुल.
thought वहीं पे erase हो जाता है because
Correct.
of how motivating he is.
वंडरफुल.
Yeah.
निम्रत, हम सबने प्रोमोज देखे हैं जो शो के बाहर आए, उसमें से सबसे बड़ा चर्चित प्रोमो रहा है आसिम का झगड़ा जो अभिषेक के साथ हुआ.
जी.
इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, करेक्ट मी, आसिम ने कहा कि ये सब सुअर के झुंड है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई वांट टू नो बेटर फ्रॉम यू कि व्हाट वाज ऑल दैट अबाउट.
I think I don't like. I think it's very important to understand that as individuals we can agree to disagree and we can
बराबर.
have a different set of
सही बात
opinion, है ना. और शायद अगर आपका कोई ओपिनियन है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको ओपिनियन मुझ पे थोपने की जरूरत है.
सही बात है.
Right? So I guess some people lack the maturity to understand that, and that's that.
Wonderful. Because Nimrat is an ex Big Boss contestant, I want to know, are you following somehow reels पे देख के कुछ
सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत सोशल मीडिया पे is what I know, whatever pops up on my feed.
कैसे लग रहा है ये सीजन OTT 3 का? कोई contestants है जिनको आप पहले से जानते हो जो अभी घर के अंदर है? रणवीर शोरे, विशाल पांडे, अरमान
No,
मलिक.
but I was very happy to see, you know, Ranveer on the show. Like, I've seen Sir's work for so many years,
Yeah.
and it was very nice. And I did see a snippet of some people, not even like I saw. I don't know what the names are, but I
Huh.
did see. I think it was the introduction bits of it, and they didn't know who he was, and the way they spoke to him.
Yes.
I was like, how do you not know
No.
who he is? And even if you don't know, I mean, I felt very disappointing because I think a couple of people from our industry were there.
Hmm.
That's the reaction. So
Ji.
for someone who's not from the industry, I completely get it that you may not be
Correct.
aware, but for as actors, I mean, it's very important
Yeah.
for us to know our seniors in the
Yeah.
industry. And I've grown up watching his work. I love what he does, and I felt a little pissed when I was watching that why is he not getting the respect that he
Yeah.
really deserves?
Agreed.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's all that are in store for you, Nimrat. Thank you so much for
Thank you
talking
so
to
much.
us.
Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Nimrat Kaur Ahluwalia, and you're watching me on India Forums.
Signing off, this is Nikita Bagwan with cameraman Yogesh Keni, India Forums, Mumbai.